This is a huge market. Mr. Panda, the insurance regulator, has made clear that his dream is that every person in India should have access to healthcare by 2047. That is an enormous, 1.2, 1.3 billion people. Now, that will take time, and we intend to play a full part in that journey here. We are long-term supporters of India, long-term investors in the country. We're very proud now to have a majority stake in a fine listed company, and I think the fact that we have gone for that listing should give our customers and our future customers faith that we really believe in India and its future.
So you just spoke about Mr. Panda, that he has a dream of insurance for all by 2047, and recently he spoke about the 100% FDI in insurance, Indian insurance sector also. So how do you see that 100% FDI in Indian insurance sector?
Well, I think, again, it shows what a forward-looking regulator you've got. It will give foreign investors great comfort. But for our perspective, I think we would very much want to see, as a listed entity, that Niva Bupa had a mix of foreign and domestic investors. It's very important to us that Niva Bupa is seen as part of the Indian capital market scene, and that our customers can feel, if they want to, they have the opportunity to purchase an equity stake in the business and be part of its future value creation, which I'm sure will be there for all to see.
And sir, till now, it's been more than 24 years. You're part of Indian insurance space. How's your experience? And now government is planning to go for the composite license also, Insurance Act amendment also. So how do you see that as a major reform?
Yeah, that is not going to have an impact on Bupa Niva or the Bupa Group. We are very focused on health insurance. We have no plans to be a composite insurer. However, I'm sure in the same way that the forward sight of the regulator in health insurance will reflect very positively on the growth of the composite insurance market for foreign investors. We will not be part of that, because nowhere in the world do the Bupa Group get involved in anything other than health insurance.
And sir, do you think that going ahead, the present penetration of health insurance in India is less as compared to the global average? So there is a lot of scope for insurers in India.
Yes, indeed. And I mean, and the global penetration varies enormously from country to country and system to system. In the UK, the private health insurance would be 16 or 17% penetration only. Hard to get an exact figure. In Australia, that's probably more than 40%. So I think we will continue to see growth in the Indian market, but it is a long-term ambition. 2047 is over 20 years away. So there's much work for all of us to do, but much excitement ahead.